Hey guys, it's Sufyan here, back for another video, and today I'll be making buffalo chicken KRAFT dinner, which is mac and cheese. So let's do it. All you'll need is some dry chicken, some butter, some mozzarella cheese, some nacho cheese sauce, some cream cheese, some honey, buffalo hot wing sauce, some milk, and some KRAFT dinner macaroni. So let's get it started. So we have your pan, and then you're just gonna put your butter in it and let it melt. So now that your butter is melted, you just move it off the heat. So we'll need 3 tablespoons of a buffalo hot sauce. Now you get a teaspoon of honey. And now you mix. Now you just set it aside. Now boil some water, put some salt in it, mix, and then put it on the stove. And I poured my macaroni in, and it started boiling much more. And then you just drain all your macaroni from the boiling water, and then put a little bit of colder water on it so that it could get used to it a little bit, and then just gotta return it to the pot. And then you put some cream cheese in it and add a little bit more butter, and you mix. And then you just pour a little bit in. Again. Now you preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. And now you pour half of your macaroni. And then you pour half of your macaroni into a bowl/container thing. Cheese onto the chicken and macaroni. Add the rest of your chicken. And you get the rest of your macaroni, and you put it on top of the cheese and the chicken. Put some more cheese onto the macaroni chicken, and you put it into the oven. And you cook it for 10 minutes. Now you take it out of the oven. Be very careful here. Looks delicious. So now for the taste test. Let's eat. I'm actually surprised how that came out. I'm not even joking, but this actually tastes so good. I'm surprised how good it would taste. It tasted, sorry, but it's actually really good. I'm gonna go dog this plate, but that marks the end of the video. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come, like this one, and turn on post notifications to get notified whenever I post every single day. And I have to eat this plate right away. I'm so hungry, and it's so good too. So thank you guys for watching, and peace.